I am building a free app for anyone that wants to learn trendline trading. That is the strategy that I have used to be consistently profitable for 2 years now. And this is video 1 of the series, I'm building a free app. So I kind of just wanted to talk about what's been going on the past couple of months in building this app, because I feel like the community is a little bit left in the dark, and it was supposed to launch unfinished a couple weeks ago, but I've had some delays. So I felt like I wanted to take this opportunity just to update everyone. And then if anyone's interested in following the journey, they can subscribe and I will be able to update y'all with daily, or not daily, but weekly or monthly vlogs regarding the build. So I got inspired to do this app because when I was a beginner trader, I just felt like really overwhelmed with the trading space. And there's so many different courses out there and so many different ways to trade. Who do you trust? What do you do? Like, is it worth spending your money on? Is it going to work for you? And so I had a lot of those questions arise for me. And even as I've gone through my trading journey, I just haven't seen any change in the trading space, specifically within the education of social media. So I wanted to kind of be a part of maybe a change that I could evoke on the trading community. And I know that there is a lot of free content out there for trading, which I think is amazing, but majority or some of it is a funnel into like a very high ticket ask for their course, which I understand diversifying your portfolio and having like multiple streams of income. I'm not going to knock the hustle, but some of it can be very slimy and scammy. And so that is why I'm building the free app. I want to try and consolidate the learning path into something that is truly impactful. And while the long-term vision for the app is still so far away, like it's almost very overwhelming. And I had no idea what kind of undertaking building an app would be, because it's just me and my 2 friends that have this like belief in me that can do it, which I think is so cool just to have them on board with me. And while the app is designed around like mini bite-sized lessons just to allow for like cognitive recognition. So for the beta launch, it's going to launch with kind of like basic stock market information and then like one full lesson path with some imagery for pattern recognition and just exposure to the market, because I think that's really important as a beginner. You like, what does a chart look like? What's price action? What's a candlestick? Like there's a lot of things that newbies are not going to know, and I am trying to integrate it all into the app, but it's so much harder than I thought it would be. So in theory, when I explain it, it sounds very simple, but in implementing it, it's actually very difficult, especially since I have no app development experience. Like developing an app is vastly different than just teaching trading. The big inspiration was like Duolingo, which Duolingo prioritizes like freemium memberships. Like they have a free language learning app that teaches a multitude of different languages. And while I only use trendline trading for my trading, so I can only integrate trendline trading into this app for now, that was the inspiration, was Duolingo. I love how they prioritized community, the user, and the process of just getting the education to people. And so I wanted to take that mission into Toro Edu. So the focus of Toro Edu is, of course, skill building, behavioral habits, psychology, and like pattern recognition. And it is a long way away from being complete, like I said. And I know it's going to be judged for what it doesn't have or what it lacks or just information that may be missing. But I hope that like the people who know what I'm trying to do or have watched my videos and understand the huge undertaking that this is are going to be like patient and want to build with me and give me good feedback that I can integrate into iterations of Toro Edu. This is a little snippet, sneak peek of what the home login screen looks like right now. I am working really diligently on it. Me and my 2 friends are working really hard to make sure that this happens for you guys. And that was kind of my mission around building the app. So right now, I have provided Ned. He's doing all of the coding for the app, all of like the back end stuff that I just don't know. I cannot code. I don't know how to do that aspect of it. So I've given him all of the education, all of the images. I've gone over trendline trading with him as well. We've had weekly Google Meets. We've spoken. We're always in constant communication via Slack. So there's a lot that goes into this. And I am just a one-woman team right now, with the exception of my 2 friends. But yeah, that is the update on that. I'm building a free app. And I hope next week, or when I get closer to having more updates, this can be more of like a fun update or vlog in the process. I know that there are a lot of moving parts to building this app, but I can only show so much right now while it's not launched yet. Once it's launched, then I can start taking you on kind of more of the back end build of it and showing you what Ned is working on, what Alicia is working on, and what I myself am working on. But for now, since it's not launched yet, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video to get that like VIP backstage access kind of.